welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Asmi, and today, as you guys can guess by the title, we're going to be unboxing the OnePlus Nord. Now, I woke up half an hour ago, so excuse this whole thing. And other than that, I also had to put a disclaimer that this video is not a tech review because I am not a technical YouTuber. I don't do tech reviews. This is probably going to be my only tech review in the next 3 years. So let's hop on. This is not a technical review. Let me just say before unboxing this, I got this on my second attempt with the second sale or the third sale. It was very tough. It was like a bloodbath, but we shall move on. It has an open tab here, so we're going to see if opens up like that, but doesn't really completely open up like that. So I got it in the variant Blue Marble with the 8GB RAM and the 128GB storage because that is pretty good for me. As you guys know, I don't play any games, so this phone will mostly be used for the camera. In my case, we're going to open this right now. Oh my god, I've been waiting for this moment forever. I would like to thank my parents for giving me the money and my sister for basically convincing my parents to let me have this. We're going to open it. Okay, no. It says this way not, but okay, my dumbass. I want it. There we go. It is here. It's bigger than my head. Okay. So the phone is out. Oof, this is huge. I used to use a 5.5 inches phone, which is pretty standard for today's time, but oh my god, the blue color. The blue color, you guys. So this is the phone. We're gonna keep this for now. We're gonna see what else this box comes with. So they give us nothing. This is just a divider. And then they give us a welcome letter. They gave us a clear phone case, which is not like a generic clear phone case. It's kind of patterned, but I will have to buy a hard case soon. But there are no hard cases for Nord available in the market, so let's see how that works out. They gave us, oh, this was so nicely packaged. Okay, they gave us stickers. It says Nord and OnePlus stickers. There's a quick start guide, safety information, and a membership to the Red Cable Club, you guys. Everybody was disappointed it did not come with the blue cable. I couldn't care less, but it's fine. It should have been blue because the aesthetic kind of doesn't match anymore, but oh well. Comes with the cable. I couldn't like put the other thing out. It comes with the cable, which is red, the infamous red, and we have the charger, which I cannot. Yeah, there it comes. This huge heavy charger. It's very heavy, like it's very heavy. They say it's a 5-volt charger, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but that's the charger. Any secret goodies? No, that's all it comes with. So we're going to unbox. Also comes with a pin. The pin is very Mickey Mouse looking. Comes the pin. So we're going to unbox this now. It says like a full tab here again. Oh, it comes like a cutout, like this, so thoughtful, as if I would use my phone like this, but okay. Okay, so here's the phone in flesh and blood. I can see the 2 selfie cameras they talked about, the 4 back cameras they talked about. It's a mirror finish, but it's like made of plastic apparently. There's the sticker, which I hope I can take out anyway. It's huge. I don't know how I'm going to carry it because I have small hand disorder, but we're gonna put this in the case. So that is all for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you're jealous of me because I got annoyed and you did not. And I'm just gonna go on Instagram and post like 100 stories about this because I'm so excited for it. But yeah, that's all. Bye.